everyone! My name is Yemima.
And I'm Titi.
So today we are going to make a Caesar salad with 6 principles of hygiene and sanitation.
Let's get started.
First of all, we will shop for the ingredients we need at the supermarket.
We decided to choose vegetables first. When choosing vegetables, make sure you choose vegetables that are new and fresh, clean, odorless, not discolored, not wormy, and not moldy.
Packaged food ingredients must pay attention to the expiry date. For packaged food, make sure it has a label and brand, is registered and has a registration number, the packaging is not broken, damaged or bloated, and has not expired.
When choosing tomatoes, choose ones that are bright red and not soft or bruised in texture.
The characteristics of a healthy chicken are that the color is bright yellowish white. When you touch the chicken, it feels moist and not sticky and does not smell bad.
To store chicken, store it in a closed and airtight container to avoid bacterial contamination. To store lettuce, remove the ends so it's easier to be cleaned.
Then wash the lettuce thoroughly with running water to remove any remaining dirt and pesticides that are still stuck, then drain.
Before putting it in a container, cover it with paper or a paper towel to absorb excess moisture during storage.
Storage must pay attention to the principles of first in, first out, and first expired, first out. Namely, food ingredients that are stored in advance and those that are nearing their expiration date must be used first.
Perishable protein foods such as chicken are stored for a long period of time in frozen storage at temperatures less than 0 degrees Celsius.
Meanwhile, food ingredients such as fruit and vegetables are stored in cool storage at 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius.
Don't forget to use your apron to prevent the inner coat from dust, dirt, spill, and debris during cooking, serving, or cleaning.
Before starting to cook, wash your hands first to avoid contamination. This is the correct way to wash your hands.
These are the ingredients for making Caesar salad.
Use a plastic cutting board to make it easier to clean the surface. Before processing the chicken, wash it first with running water to clean it of any remaining dirt.
Then pat dry with kitchen paper to prevent the chicken breast from becoming too moist during the cooking process because moisture on the surface of chicken inhibits browning and flavor development.
Next, butterfly the chicken breast and divide it into 2 parts. Then, season the chicken with mustard, salt, and pepper. Marinate for 30 minutes at room temperature. However, if the chicken is marinated for more than 1 hour, store it in the chiller.
After using the cutting board and knife to cut the chicken, wash them thoroughly with soap and running water to avoid cross-contamination. Then cut the lettuce into 6 pieces.
Don't forget to clean the cutting board again after use.
Wash the tomatoes thoroughly before cutting them into pieces.
Divide the cherry tomatoes into halves for garnish.
Same as the previous step, wash first before processing.
Then boil the shelled corn in boiling water until cooked.
Peel the cucumber and cut into cubes.
Next, slice the onion.
Use a non-stick frying pan when grilling chicken to make it easier to clean and prevent cross-contamination of bacteria and reduce the risk of burning food.
Make sure the chicken is grilled until completely cooked, because undercooked chicken can be contaminated with Salmonella bacteria that can lead to food poisoning.
Differentiate between containers for raw food and containers for cooked food.
Slice the grilled chicken with clean knife and tongue.
Use plates that are intact, not deformed, not cracked, not chipped, and clean.
The storage place or container must be separate for each type of cooked food and have a lid that can close completely. Cooked food should not be mixed with raw food ingredients. When you carry a plate, never let any of your fingers, especially the thumb, touch the top of the plate.
Hold the plate in the palm of your hand with all fingers tucked below or just touching the very side of the rim where food will not touch. Cooked food should be served immediately. The way food is served must avoid contamination and equipment used must be clean.
Make sure the work area is always clean and tidy. Trash cans should be covered and away from cooking areas.
Wash equipment thoroughly after being used.